In today's video, I'll show you how to change availability in Acuity Scheduling step by step. If your working hours have changed or you want to update when clients can book appointments, this process is quick and easy. First, log into your Acuity Scheduling account and go to your dashboard. Once you're inside, open the Availability section from the left side menu. This is where you control your booking schedule and working hours. Now choose the calendar or staff member you want to update if you manage multiple schedules. Next, review your current availability settings. You'll see the days and time ranges that clients can currently book. To make changes, click on the day or time block you want to edit. You can add new working hours, remove old ones, or adjust your schedule completely. For example, you can change your availability from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. to 10 a.m. to 6 p.m., or add extra evening hours. If needed, you can also create split schedules, such as morning and afternoon availability with breaks in between. For temporary schedule changes like holidays or special events, you can block specific dates directly from the calendar as well. After updating your availability, click Save to apply the changes. Now your booking page will automatically update, and clients will only see your new available time slots. Before finishing, preview your scheduling page to confirm the updated availability appears correctly on both desktop and mobile devices. It's also a good idea to test a sample booking to make sure clients can select the correct times. And that's it. You've successfully changed availability in Acuity Scheduling and updated your booking schedule. And that's how you change availability in Acuity Scheduling. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.